Hi there, welcome to StudioSec. It's good to see you. On this channel, we're going to cover a number of cybersecurity topics, from basic principles in cybersecurity to a deeper dive on technical aspects in cybersecurity, as well as various topics in between. This channel is designed for you, whether you are a college student that's interested in cybersecurity, someone that's already working and you're just trying to make sense of all these really complex terms and concepts. Wherever you're coming from, this channel is designed to make cybersecurity easy to understand just for you. So if that's going to be helpful for you, hit that like button and let me know. Comment down below if you have any content you would like to see or have any cybersecurity questions that you would like me to help explain. I'd love to know more. And of course, subscribe so I can get that content straight to you. Thank you.